Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to tell you all about my favorite hair products. We're going to talk about from the hair products that I use in the shower, outside of the shower, to protect the hair. I'm also going to tell you about my heating tools, literally everything from A to Z. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so let's get into it with the products that I use in the shower. I will say these products are very personal to me, so this might be a little boring, but if we do relate in some way with our scalp, then this might actually be really helpful. So for shampoo, I actually use something very interesting. Stephanie Letta, SMLXO, here on YouTube actually got me on this one. For shampoo, I use the, sorry I don't have it in here, but I'll show you guys a picture right here. It's in my shower and it was wet, and so I was like, never mind. But I do have all the other products. I use the Dr. Eddie's Happy Cappy Medicated Shampoo for Children. So this is actually a shampoo and body wash. It's only $11 and I get it on Amazon. And the reason why I use this is because I actually have psoriasis. It's not like a lot of psoriasis. I don't have it all over my body, but I do have it on my scalp. And so it's been really hard finding a product that treats psoriasis, not like dandruff, because there's a lot of different reasons why scalps are the way they are. It's not just, oh, it's dandruff. And Stephanie actually has psoriasis as well, and she said that this is the only thing that worked for her, and honestly it works so well for me. My scalp has never felt better. So if you do suffer from dryness, from dandruff, but if you especially suffer from psoriasis and you haven't found anything that works, get this. It's amazing. So that's what I use for shampoo. I just want to throw it in here. I only wash my hair twice a week. That is just what works for me, and I did notice that it actually makes my hair grow a lot faster. I don't get oily at all, so I can actually go a lot of days. The reason why I do want to wash my hair is because instead of my scalp getting oily, it actually gets dry. Because I only wash my hair twice a week, I actually just use a mask every time, and this is my favorite. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. So I don't use conditioner, I just use this on my hair, and I'll just leave it in while I'm like shaving my body. And you're supposed to leave it in for about 10 minutes. I just leave it in how long I need to be in the shower, and then I take it off. This is $10 and a whole tub lasts me a while. Also, because I don't wash my hair that often, those are my two products for hair washing. And then let me tell you about a product that I like to add to my hair to give it this beautiful color and shine. I just wanted to say thank you to Glaze for sponsoring this portion of the video. This is my second time working with them, but I've been using their products for about 6 months now, and I've been loving them. I actually just refreshed my hair with one of their glosses. So let me tell you guys a little bit about Glaze, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I applied it on the hair and the end result. So Glaze is a semi-permanent color conditioning gloss, and it's gonna enhance your hair color by giving it a natural, vibrant mirror glaze shine with extraordinary softness. And they do also offer a subscription, so you can always have your hair ready for anything. So I subscribed on their website, and guys, their results are amazing. This Glaze Super Gloss is super nourishing. It's going to be enriched with babasu oil, which will give you shine, softness for super healthy, smooth hair. It's also super easy to use. You do apply it on dry or damp hair. As you guys can see in this video, I applied it to damp hair. You just leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse it off, and you're ready. Make sure to wear gloves when applying to avoid stains. It is packed with hair-loving ingredients, free from parabens, silicones, ammonia, and sulfates, and it is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and the packaging is actually 100% recyclable, which we love. You can use Glaze at every wash, and the more you use it, the more your hair will feel healthy and look glossy. I love that you can subscribe to it and get it every month. One bottle will last you 2 to 3 applications, and if you want to use it every day, you will definitely need a new one every month. So I use the shade Blazing Brown, which is a neutral medium brown tones for light to medium brown hair. To get the best results, you're going to want to choose a shade that's closest to your hair color, and your hair is going to look so glossy, healthy, and so smooth. This super nourishing gloss with a hint of color is going to last up to 10 washes, so it's going to last you a while. And the results are going to be natural. It doesn't matter if you have color treated hair or virgin hair. It does work for all hair types, so you don't have to worry about that. By the way, they do have 9 different shades from light blonde to dark black, and they also have a transparent one. And the transparent one's actually going to enhance like your natural hair color, and it's going to give it a boost of shine and gloss. So it is going to be available on their website, glazehair.co, and it is going to be $16, but if you do subscribe, you do get 10% off every single purchase, so it is a no-brainer. And by the way, if you don't like it, they do have a 100% money back guarantee. We love that. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is for 20%, so you can use this code right here, and you can actually use that off one purchase or your actual monthly subscription, which honestly, you probably just want to get the subscriptions so that you don't have to keep buying it every single month, because like I said, you can use it at every wash if you want to, and it makes your hair look super good every single time you use it. Thanks again to Glaze for sponsoring this part of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoy this product as much as I do. Alrighty, so moving on to the leave-in products. So my favorite product ever, oh my god, it's so dirty, but this is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. You have to use a leave-in conditioner. You can use oils, of course, and I do use an oil, and I'll show it to you guys, but the leave-in conditioner is the one that actually puts the moisture into your hair, and then the oil is the one that keeps the moisture, but you have to put in the moisture first. So I understand that it's pricey, but let me tell you guys something. The reason why I bought this is actually because I got it on Black Friday at Ulta, but I got it on the Black Friday a year ago. I actually bought another one this Black Friday thinking I would run out of it, but I still have about this much left. Granted, I do only use it twice a week, but I use 8 sprays, and that's what I use before I actually brush my hair. And not only is it going to detangle the hair before I brush it, but on the back it says it inhibits dry, damaged hair, adds shine to tangle, it helps replace lost protein, seals and protect hair color, prevents split ends, inhibits hair breakage, creates silkiness, helps strengthen hair, and it's also a flat iron spray and thermal protector. I still use thermal protector, but it's always good to have a base of protector. So this is my baby. I love it. If you want to wait for a sale, wait for a sale, but I'm telling you, a little goes a long way, and this lasts forever, so I do think this is worth every penny. If you don't want to spend the money for this, or you just don't have the budget, this comes in super close in second. So this is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This is what I used to use before I started using this. This honestly makes your hair just as nice and silky. I believe this is not a thermal protector though, so there are definitely more benefits in this one, but they give you a very similar result. So I love both of these. So if you just want something a little bit cheaper that is really, really nice, get this one. This is like a tried and true for me, and this is my new favorite, so you can't go wrong with either of these. They're great. For oil, I actually like to use the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum oil. I just ran out, so here is a picture of it. Again, you want to add that leave-in conditioner to add that moisture, and then just kind of like how you do with your skincare, on top of that, you add an oil, and that's going to lock in that hydration a lot longer, and of course also make your hair a little bit shinier. Put it from the ends to the mid shafts, and that's all I do. And I'll either let it air dry, which 99% of the time I let my hair air dry, or I end up drying it with my favorite tool. But before I tell you about that tool, I just wanted to tell you that I do use a wet brush. I have so many wet brushes. This is what they look like. You can buy them at Marshall's for like $4. You can buy on Amazon, like literally everywhere. And oh my god, the difference in damage. And also, you can feel it when you're using that wet brush. It's the bristles are so much better for your hair because they're not as like stiff. And I actually use a wet brush all the time, not just when my hair is wet. I use it like it's the only brush that I use is a wet brush, and it's just so much better for your hair. It detangles without ripping your hair apart, and it's just so much better to do that. So use a wet brush. Okay, so my favorite heat protectants are these. So this I've just used for so long. I really haven't found another one that doesn't break the bank, and that, I don't know, you guys let me know what your favorite heat protectants are, because I do want to try some new ones, but this works for me. So this is the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray up to 450. So I really like this because it's a spray and it doesn't make my hair greasy. Like, I can spray as much as I want on my wet or dry hair, and it doesn't make my hair feel weird. It just protects the hair, and I've been using this for years. But I don't know, is there something going on with Tresemme? Isn't there like a lawsuit or something like that? I don't know. You guys let me know. But if you have a favorite heat protectant, even if it's drugstore or high-end, just let me know down below because I do want to try new ones. But if there's nothing wrong with this one, I like using this one. And I do like to use a different thermal protector when my hair is wet. I like to use a blow drying mist. So this is the Kristen S Style Assist Blow Dry Mist. It's an ultra lightweight, split and smoothing, shine enhancing, cuts drying time, heat protect up to 450. So this I like to use only really truly when my hair is wet because I feel like it has like a little bit of oil in it, which for the blow dry, it's like beautiful, but you can't really douse your dry hair in this without it looking greasy. So this is a blow dry mist. And all you do is you just apply it to damp hair, and not only is it going to be your thermal protector for like your hair dryer, but it's also going to give it shine, help your split ends, and it's amazing and it smells delicious. Favorite dry shampoo. Listen, I know my hair doesn't get oily, but once in a blue moon, or actually when I'm traveling, sometimes my hair gets greasy all of a sudden. I like this one. This is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. Guys, if you have dark hair, get a tinted one. It'll save you so much time. But I have the Hint of Color Divine Dark, and my bottle is huge because I just get this at Marshall's for like $5, and it lasts me like all year because I barely use it. But I really like it because it works, it smells good, and it's brown, so it doesn't leave my hair looking like my grays are popping, even though they kind of are. Okay, and then lastly, my favorite hairspray. This was actually recommended to me by someone at Ulta, and I've just been repurchasing it. I actually bought it at Marshall's for $8.99. I'm such a Marshall's girl. This is the Professional Sebastian Shaper Dry Brushable Styling Hairspray with Control. My favorite one is the Super Hold or Extra Hold, but I couldn't find it at Marshall's, so I got this one instead. All right, we got a kitty in the video. Say hello. Okay, but they're both great. So whether you get the regular one or the extra hold, I really like this because this is a good working hairspray as well as a finishing hairspray. This is not going to be like the maximum hold kind of hairspray, but this is a good everyday hairspray. You can put this on your hair before you curl it. It's not going to sizzle or anything like that. It's just going to really hold that curl. And then also I do spray it after I finish, and I like it because I can literally go like so heavy-handed and it's like not gonna be stiff, and you can brush it out. So I love that because I do need hairspray on my hair, but I hate stiff hair and sticky hair, and this is just my favorite. It's really good. Again, if you find it at Marshall's, even better. Okay, so moving on to my heat tools. You know what? Let's just get it out of the way. You know what this is? This is the Dyson, and I have some thoughts on the Dyson. I love my Dyson, but this and the round brush are my favorite tools. Okay, where do I begin? The air wrap, like curlers, don't really hold on me very much. The thicker ones don't really hold. I use a thinner one. Sometimes when I just want to add a little bit of shush to my hair, I will put some mousse in my hair, like even when it's dry, and I'll use the air wrap curlers or air curlers, and I'll use the thinner one, and that will hold my curl for a couple hours, and it gives me a nice tousled look. But when I want to have my hair curled for all day for something that I have to do, I definitely don't use that. This is what I like to use on my hair to really almost like straighten it. I really don't use a straightener very often because of this, and that's why I love it so much. So I will dry my hair with the hair dryer attachment and then finish it off with this. My hair is dry. It is color damaged. I used to be a full blonde, so it's very damaged. It used to be curly, now it's more wavy. So when I do let my hair air dry, it's nice and wavy, but if I want to smooth it out before I wand it, I'll go in with this and some heat protectant, and I love it. And so this is just my baby. I can't go anywhere without this. I also love the hair dryer attachment. I know it's a little thingy, but it works. I mean, my hair is long and it works. I mean, it'll dry my hair and it works great to rough dry or to dry completely. And then the round brush I love using for my bangs. I didn't use it today, that's why my hair is a little bit flat, but I love using that to do my bangs. You know, I feel like a lot of people think that the air wrap is only for those curlers, but my favorite attachments are not those curlers, but I still use them here and there. Now, this is $500. Do I think it's necessary? No. No hair product is necessary. There's so many different hair dryers. I used to have the Revlon one. I gave it to my mom. She loves it. Just remember that half of the reason why people like me bought the Dyson is for the health of my hair. It's just like the Revlon will damage your hair because they get really, really hot. This one doesn't get that hot, and yet it still dries my hair and styles it. That's kind of why I think that the curlers don't last, because they don't get hot enough. I'll just leave it at this. Do I think you need it? Is it completely necessary? Absolutely not. But once you do buy it, it's going to become a necessity. So if you do have it, you're probably never going to go anywhere without it. But if you don't have it and it's out of your budget, don't get it. You're fine. You don't need it. Okay, so my favorite hair wand, oh my god, this is just my tried and true. I've had this since college. It was actually sent to me in a PR box, and it's great. It is what I used today, and today I just did very like loose curls, but this is the only thing that will hold my curl. So this is the HSI Professional Wand. This comes in a pack. Let me tell you guys, this is kind of pricey. It's pretty pricey, but it comes with a couple different attachments. I believe this is the biggest one, and it comes with 2 more, so you can actually just take it off and add a smaller or bigger barrel. And also this makes it really easy for travel because it becomes really small. I love it. It goes up to 450 degrees. I use the 450 degrees because I ruined my hair, and now that's the only thing that holds. I have other wands and other things like that that go up to 450, but for some reason this is the only thing that actually makes my hair look the best. So I truly, when I travel, I bring my Dyson in this. Because remember, you are getting like 3 wands in one. I believe it's 3 or 4, but I'll link everything down below. And like I mentioned, I don't really use a straightener, but when I do, when I want to have a sleek, straight moment, I use this one. This is the GHD Platinum Plus. This only has 1 setting, and it's like the perfect setting for like everyone. Apparently, it's not going to be as damaging. I don't know the setting off the top of my head. I will put it right here. This is the heat setting, and I love it. It's super sleek, and it's like lightweight. It does have the curved edges for people that like to kind of curl their hair with their straightener. It literally heats up in like 5 seconds. It just has 1 button right here. You press it, it turns on, and then it goes dun, 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 in like 5 seconds, and it's completely hot. So then you use it. It doesn't really damage your hair as much because of the heat setting and the plates. It's a really, really good straightener. So like I mentioned, I don't use this very often because I like straighten my hair with my Dyson because it is less damage. But if you do want a good straightener, this has been, I've been loving this one. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to mention was like hair accessories. I can't live without claw clips. These are my favorite. I will link them. They're probably from Amazon. I'll look in my orders, but these, like, this is how I hold my hair sometimes when I'm doing makeup. This is how I section my hair when I'm doing my hair. I also have some of those other ones. I will link everything down below, even if I don't talk about it. If I think of something else, I will link it down below. I have those ones that are like tiny to hold your hair that won't crimp them, but these are actually really nice, not only for these kind of things, but also if you want to do like Hollywood waves, you can put these in the curls and it creates a really nice form. I actually got these in a really good affordable pack from Amazon, so I will link that down below. As for hair ties, all I use is these and scrunchies. I don't even own a regular hair tie. I don't even know where I would find one. So if you haven't gone on this kick, you need to. And then lastly, I do use rollers, mainly for my bangs. Really, that's all I use them for. Sometimes you can get the blowout look without doing a blowout. You can just wand your hair, and then if you just do maybe like a row of curlers right here, that top volume will make it look like a blowout. So you can definitely fake a blowout super easily. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope that any questions that you guys might have had, you have it in this video. I do get a lot of questions about my hair, so I'm glad I could just do like one video to tell you guys about everything I use. If I for some reason miss something, I will link it down below. If you guys have any questions, just comment them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.